kuyakhulunywa ke, that is where everything is communicated. Kubalwa ama rules ukuthi ama rules kwenzakalani, yini engavumelekile, mangaka ama player avumelekile, mangaka ama player angavumelekile. So throughout the last 2 weeks we were communicating ku WhatsApp with regards to our interviews that we had on radio stations, ama bookings, ama flights for me to go to Joburg ngeku SABC1. I paid for myself to support the initiative yenziwa abafowethu. Ngayikhokhela mina ama flights wami, and namanje that money hasn't been refunded to me, and it's not an issue. I'm not making it an issue, but it was for me to support the initiative. I had no issues because nami ngiyathanda ibhola, ngumdlali webhola, and I wanted to be part of this as well. So bafowethu, ku WhatsApp izinto besiyikhuluma, ama interviews, the schedule, some interviews bayasendela on WhatsApp. Ubaba Sipho Sithole was communicating with us, all those things. Then when it comes to the tournament itself, agone yam tournament I think kwabukuyi idea ka Khuzani ikakhulukazi, because even namanje he's the one apparently who poured out imali to make sure ukuthi the tournament goes on. Kwakuyi idea ya Khuzani nethimba lakhe, ibona labo bantu ekuyibona ababeka ama rules. Ibona, I was not involved kuma rules. Mina I came to represent i-team ye-gospel from last year. Okay, asiqaleni ke kule issue last year before siqhubeke. Ku issue last year sahamba as gospel, sahamba sodlala, sacela abantu ama-artists amaningi, because lanto kufuneka ama faces aziwayo. So you would want to have abo Benjamin Dube, abo Mamhlengwe Mhlaba, every face ye gospel that is known by people, yona efunakalayo lapha ya. So last year sahamba sawodlala masifika, or before that sacela ama-artists, communicate nama-artists that bafethu we're going to play, siyacela ukuthi nisijoyine. We have a WhatsApp group, sizovumelana, we will train sonke, and then bese siyakhetha abantu kuyibona abazohamba udlala, sisavumelana nathi bese no WhatsApp wethu as a gospel group, as ama-artists e-gospel. Saqala sajima, bafika abafowethu abanye base Eastern Cape bajima bodwa, abase Goli bajima bodwa, abase Mpumalanga bajima bodwa, and then sahamba sodlala last year. But now kunabafowethu mina bengade vele sengibazi ukuthi badlala ibhola, abafana, ngacela abafana babathandwa baculi acapella, ngacela abafana be NUZ abaculi acapella, sahamba nabo sayodlala i-tournament, ngoba babe nelento esiyidingayo for us to be able to compete at a high level. You understand? So your competitors, we're going to play a tournament, so safaka abafowethu savumelana bayacula. Umthetho wawuthi as long as umuntu ecula ekhona somewhere kwi-album, ungakwazi ukumkhomba uthi nangu sibanibani kwi-cover ethile i-album, uvumelekile lo muntu ukuthi angahamba yodlala. Savumelana, thatha ama-player sahamba sodlala last year there was no player. Ngibazwile uBig Zulu bethi na last year nani lesabadlala kwangomela badlala, ayikho lonto. Big Zulu, they don't follow umculo gospel ngoba bawubukela phansi, they don't listen to amanye ama genres. I doubt ukuthi you would ever know ukuthi yini NUZ a cappella. So it's no surprise ukuthi uBig Zulu doesn't know abadlali bam the gospel, because akayilandeli gospel. So mabethi gospel ya cheater, that is not true. uKhuzani is my witness. Ngathumela wonke abadlali, ngafaka ithombe ngaze ngayifaka la ku Facebook, bathi bona ayidumo uyachaza. Babe ngithi mina ngichazi, ngithe ama rules athi fakani abadlali abavumelekile abacula igospel ongabathola kwi-album. That is what I did. I followed ama-rules last year. Namanje nginganiprovela nginifakele same players, but last year are the same players abadlale this time around. Those same players, but manje bona babelindele ukuthi thina sofika namakhehla. Na into yabacasula babelindele ukuthi sofika namakhehla sizokhompitha ngamakhehla. Unfortunately, that was not the case. Kwasho ukuthi kunabantu abakwazi ukudlala ibhola abacula igospel saya nabo. So sawina ke last year ba complain on the side, but it's barobile, but it was not a big issue. So aina out yaphela. This year again we salanda the same players besidlala ngabo last year. Sabese siya add. Ngifuna ukucacisa lokho ngoba ngifuna bengazi ukuthi mhlambe mina ngiyixoki. Ngifuna ukucacisa yonke into bafethu. Sithathe abadlali esibaziyo, sahamba nabo, sawodlala nabo after sizwile ukuthi kune team thizeni elande ama-professional players. But because ama-rules athi labo bantu bethu kumele kube ukuthi bayacula, sabafaka abafethu baba amagidangoma. Igidangoma yilo muntu odansa emva kwethu ukuthi masidansa igidangoma ngokwelanguage yakomaskandi. Sabalanda abafethu bafika badansa kwingoma zethu. I think bebeba u2 3 esibalandini, but into esenzile senze show ukuthi asibafaki on the starting lineup. Bona bebefuna nduna bebethusile, bebefuna sifake uma Mhlengiwe, bebefuna sifake uma Rebecca, befuna sifake oSipho Makhabane. Angeke sitshelo ibona ukuthi kumele sifake ba, as long as it's comply nama rules. Okay, so this year sahamba nabadlali and bese sizwile ukuthi igqom lipikile, bese sizwile ngoba ucoach wabo ubaba kaSithabiso ebengidlala naye mina kwiDebon Pioneers ku-Vodacom. So bangitshela bathi igqom lipikile. Sathi ke nathi because last year abasilalelanga igqom lalipike abadlali abawu6 last year. Sathi ke this year sizothatha nathi abadlali sohamba nabo noma singabafakanga ku lineup, sizohamba nabo sicuphe ngabo in case bafaka labadlali babo ngathi siyabafaka. Okay, so on WhatsApp ke this year sesiyavumelana. Okay, bafethu athina ama rules, bawathumela ama rules, bawafunda ama rules, basifundela wona. Sathi okay, so umthetho uthi kuvumeleke ukuthi kudlale i-player e-professional noma ex-professional player eyodwa 1. The rest kumele kube ukuthi abantu abaculayo. Igqoma lulandelanga lo mthetho. Igqom bewu-DJ Tira, Gold Max, lo olamajita la acula konje thini igroup yabo ngiyakhohlwa manje, but uGold Max bafeni yamazi uGold Max bekuyibona bobabili kuphela abantu abaculayo, bona kuphela abantu abaziwayo abaculayo. And okhuzane they kept on saying umthetho uthi kumele kudlale abantu abaziwayo